Barangay Nujos, Batanes. Tayong malupit ang lugar.
Tao Mapia,
Bahay Payak, Tanburol,
Tandanum ay marikna. Tara, tilawan ta. Tantuklasan ta ang tunay na ganda ng Batanes.
welcome to Bayang Rolling Hills, the untouched sanctuary of Batanes. Here, nature blooms freely, protected by the community and respected by mindful travelers. Explore the hills responsibly and help preserve this breathtaking landscape for generations to come. Experience peace, experience purity, experience Bayang Rolling Hills, where every step supports nature. Travel responsibly, travel beautifully.
Discover Chavayan Village, the beating heart of Ibatan tradition.
Ako nga niging kabuyon, bugang akong dugha.
Every corner holds a story. Every smile reflects a culture, treasured and preserved. By visiting Chavayan, you can support local livelihoods and help protect a heritage that has stood strong for centuries. Feel the culture, honor the history, experience Chavayan, where you became part of preservation. Travel with respect and with the heart.
Saksi ang langit sa mga mata ko nga niging kabuyon.
Hi, we're students exploring Batanes, and guess what we found? The coolest survivor of history, the House of Dahay. For more than a century, this home has survived storms, time, and change. So if you're looking for a mix of history, adventure, and good vibes, the House of Dahay is waiting for you. Let's protect the past so future students like us can enjoy it too. Welcome to Basco Lighthouse, the iconic guide of Batanes and a symbol of preserved beauty. Surrounded by clean landscape and cared for by the community, this destination thrives because of the responsible travelers like you. Experience the views, the peace, and the culture while helping keep this landmark pristine. Discover Basco Lighthouse, where beauty is protected and memories are made with purpose. Visit Batanes responsibly. Experience Basco Lighthouse. Be the traveler who protects what you love. Witness the power of nature at Balugan Boulder Beach, a rare landscape shaped by time and volcanic history. This stunning destination depends on visitors who value protection and care. By exploring responsibly, you may help preserve this natural wonder for the future. Experience Balugan Boulder Beach. Powerful, peaceful, and protected. Love the earth, leave no trace. Sa Batanes, ang turismo ay hindi lang pagbisita. Ito ay pakikipag-isa sa kalikasan at kultura. Kapag pinili mong maging responsableng biyahero, tinutulungan mong mapanatili ang paraisong ito.
Tuklasin ang kagandahan ng Batanes
At tulungan ito manatiling buhay para sa susunod na henerasyon.
Tara na sa Batanes!
Sang pito ng iko magduha-duha. Kung mahulog, kaandam kung mahulog upan, isa na sa tada.